In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make one-by-one pictures in Canva. If you need a perfect square image for a profile photo, an ID placeholder, or a clean thumbnail, this simple workflow will get you there quickly and with great quality. Start by opening Canva. On the home screen, click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. This gives you full control over the dimensions so the final image is exactly 1 inch by 1 inch. In the size box, change the unit to inches. Set the width to 1 and the height to 1, then click Create New Design. You'll see a blank square canvas. This is your one-by-one workspace. Working in inches is helpful when a platform or print requirement specifies physical dimensions, and Canva will handle the scaling behind the scenes. Next, bring in your photo. On the left sidebar, go to the Uploads tab and upload an image from your device. Choose a clear, high-quality photo so it stays sharp when resized. Once it finishes uploading, click the image and it will appear on your square canvas. Now adjust it to fit perfectly. Drag the corners of the photo to resize while keeping the proportions. Your goal is to fill the entire one-by-one square with no empty edges or white bars. If you need finer control, double-click the image to open the crop view. Here, you can reposition the photo by dragging it within the frame and use the crop handles to refine what's visible. Aim to center the subject and keep important details away from the very edge to avoid clipping. If Canva shows alignment guides, use them to balance the composition. Take a moment to zoom in and make sure everything looks crisp and intentional. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export. Click the Share button in the top right corner, choose Download, and pick your preferred format. PNG is great for maximum clarity and minimal compression, while JPG creates a smaller file size that's easy to upload. Either format works for a simple square photo. Once you've selected PNG or JPG, click Download to save your one-by-one picture to your device. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching.